For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
Ethereum, close by Bitcoin and Dogecoin, is one of those digital currencies that are notable even beyond the crypto local area. Furthermore, it is justifiably, Ethereum is one of the most element-rich and intriguing blockchains out there. Other than being an unquestionably inventive innovation, Ethereum is likewise an extraordinary resource for speculation. Dissimilar to little altcoins, it has to a lesser extent an opportunity to fail spectacularly, however it actually can possibly moon and bring its financial backers cosmic benefits. In this article, we will endeavor to gauge how Ethereum's cost might act from now on. Kindly recall that because of the flighty and unstable nature of the digital currency market, all crypto value forecasts ought to be thought about while considering other factors. This article doesn't comprise speculation exhortation. What is Ethereum? The most ideal way to improve as a financial backer and increment your benefit is to dive deeper into the resource you are working with. While digital currency costs, in contrast to those of customary resources, like stocks, are more speculative in nature and depend much less on their characteristic worth, they actually depend here and there on what the coin, token can and should have the option to do. For instance, digital currencies like Polkadot might see a flood in cost if their capacity to give blockchain interoperability unexpectedly turns out to be particularly popular. As a well-known and famous digital currency, Ethereum and its usefulness aren't precisely covered in secret. A great many people have caught wind of its association with savvy contracts, NFTs, and DeFi. In any case, that is not entirely there as to that coin, since Ether brings much more to the table. Ethereum was sent off back in 2015 and is well known for being a decentralized and open-source confirmation of work blockchain with savvy contracts usefulness. Dissimilar to Bitcoin, Ethereum has an uncapped stockpile. Quite possibly of the greatest test that Ethereum needs to beat soon as its consistently rising exchange expenses, or, as they required this specific organization, gas charges. The more individuals use Ethereum, the higher those gas expenses become, making the coin's developing notoriety a blade that cuts both ways. Increasingly more digital forms of money with comparable functionalities, however less expensive exchange costs and higher throughput, Solana, SOL, keep on arising. Notwithstanding, the execution and send-off of the merge will probably turn what is going on near and tackle in any event a portion of these issues. Ethereum price predictions for 2022 by experts. Most specialists are presently bullish on ETH for the time being. In addition, most long-haul Ethereum value expectations are positive, as well. Somewhat recently of 2021 and toward the start of 2022, the cryptographic money market confronted a gigantic bear market and lost a fifth of its complete worth contrasted with the pinnacle accomplished in November 2021. The conflict and endorses in late February and March have, nonetheless, caused a colossal upswing in the crypto market. Despite the fact that Ethereum's possibilities may not appear to be basically as brilliant as they used to a year prior considering the overall population's rising discontent with NFTs, the Ethereum convention is sufficiently broadened to not allow something to like this dial it back. It has a ton of undertakings creating simultaneously, and NFTs are only one piece of the riddle that is the Ethereum environment. Ethereum price prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Ethereum costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Ethereum will be $1,867.07. The greatest level that the ETH cost can reach is $2,079.20. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $1,952.15. ETH price forecast for September 2022. In view of the value changes of Ethereum toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical ETH pace of $1,786.66 in September 2022. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $1,616.51 and at $1,837.71, individually. October 2022, Ethereum price forecast. Digital money specialists are prepared to report their conjecture for the ETH cost in October 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $1,773.05, while the most extreme could reach $1,909.18 during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Ethereum may be around $1,858.13. ETH price forecast for November 2022. Crypto experts have really looked at the value changes of Ethereum in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal ETH rate they foresee may be around $1,913.88 in November 2022. It can drop to $1,845.81 as a base. The most extreme worth may be $1,983.50. December 2022, Ethereum price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the ETH cost will be exchanged at $1,952.15 by and large. December 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Ethereum worth to $2,079.20. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $1,867.07 in December 2022. Ethereum price prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Ethereum in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Ethereum will be around $2,846.32. The greatest expected ETH cost might be around $3,410.85. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $2,926.10 in 2023. Ethereum price prediction 2024. In view of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Ethereum, in 2024, ETH is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $4,105.02 and $4,852.91, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $4,251.32. Ethereum price prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of digital money have broke down the costs of Ethereum and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base ETH cost could drop to $6,251.28, while its most extreme can reach $7,321.09. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around $6,421.33.